Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you two solutions if your T6.5S is not working, what you can try to do. So the first thing that you want to try to do is reset it. To reset it, you want to look on a small pinhole that you would find on the left side of the screen or the back of the screen. And what you want to do is this. When you're going to locate it, because I also checked the manual and I also checked a lot of guides and I just couldn't find it anywhere, is that the first thing that you can try is to completely turn it off. Okay, then locate the pinhole. It should be on the left side or from the back of the screen. You want to take a paper clip, you want to insert the paper clip into the pinhole, and then when you're gonna do it, you just want to press and hold it. While you're holding it, you just want to plug it back in and turn it on. So, and then you're just gonna wait until the screen is going to pop up and just show this like it has been right now starting. Then you want to release with the paper clip. This is the first thing that you can try. Maybe try to reset it. If the reset is not going to work out, what you can try to do is that this is like the person just wrote here. I just fixed it. I disassembled the console and cleaned the circuit board and ribbon cables. So this is something that the person did, is that they just like disassembled the console and cleaned the thing, and they found a ground wire that was loose. So maybe this can also possibly like fix it for you. A third thing is that maybe you're gonna need a control board. So first thing, try to reset it, completely plug it out, turn it off, then locate it if you're gonna find the reset button. If you don't, then try to disassemble the console and clean the circuit board and ribbon cables. If that doesn't work out, what you can try to do then is to get a new control board. So just like sharing the ideas out there. Maybe this video is completely useless, but you know, I just really like making these, so I hope that some of you it's going to help you. So have a great day and goodbye.